Ahoy sailors, it's Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today I'm here to share with you a seriously suite on Virgin Voyages, one of the Rockstar Suite options available on board. This particular room was videoed on the Scarlet Lady, however, all staterooms across the Virgin Voyages fleet, Scarlet, Valiant, Resilient, and Brilliant Lady, have the same layout and decor. As you enter the suite with your black wristband, this shows your Rockstar status. You'll find a large marble bathroom with a separate toilet area, an oversized shower with both a rain and handheld shower head, and upscale bathroom soaps. Did you notice the peekaboo window? This window looks out into the bedroom space above the master bed. Don't worry, for those traveling with friends, it can be covered by your stateroom attendant. This is just one of the many features you'll find on board Virgin Voyages. As you enter the large stateroom, you'll be shocked at just how much space you have. This is not your standard size cruise stateroom. It's actually quite large, with plenty of space to lounge around and enjoy your room. The Euro king-size bed faces the sea terrace with floor-to-ceiling views of the sea. You can set the mood with the customizable lighting options all at your fingertips on your in-room tablet. The tablet controls the lights, TV, and even the window treatment, giving you the ability to open and close it from bed. This is one of my favorite parts of the Seriously Suite, controlling the sea terrace views from bed. Your stateroom has ample storage with a large closet space and in-room safe. Inside, you'll find your Rockstar robes and slippers. Across the room is home to your custom curated bar. Your Rockstar agent will meet with you to customize and stock your bar with wine, spirits, beers, and mixers for your sailing. The first round is included with your Rockstar status, which is a great value and may help to reduce the amount of bar tab you need for your voyage. Don't miss the record player just waiting to set the in-room vibe. Records can be swapped out so you have the perfect mix. Next to the bar is the Glam Station, a nice vanity area for getting yourself ready for Scarlet Night and other events at sea. Step outside to your own private oasis on your expansive sea terrace, complete with the Virgin Voyages iconic red hammock, lounge chair, and champagne table. This is the perfect place to indulge in your morning coffee and afternoon cocktail. Or enjoy Ship Eats room service, which is included for all Rockstar guests and is offered 24/7 or until midnight on the day before you disembark. Breakfast can be reserved until 2 a.m. the morning you'd like it delivered, and is a great way to start your day on port days. On sea days, I recommend you visit the Wake or Razzle Dazzle for the bottomless champagne brunch. Sea Terrace is the place to take in the breathtaking views, relax, and soak up the sun in true Rockstar style. Now, I told you my favorite part of the suite was the ability to control my view from bed, but that's not entirely true. I do really love this feature, which happens to be in all staterooms with a view, but my favorite part of Rockstar status is the Rockstar agent. She or he is there to help you day and night, yep, 24/7 with a text or a phone call to help you with whatever you need. While on board our sailing, she helped us update dining and entertainment reservations, checked in on us daily to see what we might need, and ensured we had the best treatment for things we didn't even know were available. Your Rockstar agent will be your voyage BFF. As a Rockstar, you also have access to the exclusive Richards rooftop, the private lounge deck and bar area located on deck 16 forward. Relax in one of the 2 private hot tubs and join the daily private champagne hour with the fabulous Happenings cast to kick off a great evening. Want to know more about sailing with Virgin Voyages and all they have to offer? Email your favorite Love of the Magic Vacations travel advisor, and don't forget to sign up to receive our exclusive 50 experiences you don't want to miss on Virgin Voyages guide. The link is below. Also, make sure to join our Facebook group where you'll get all the Virgin Voyages questions answered, plus ideas for Scarlet Night outfits, excursions, and all the dining and entertainment you must try on your next voyage. Ready to book? Use the link below to book your next Virgin Voyages vacation and get the service you deserve from the Love of the Magic Vacations team. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more resort, ship, and room tours around the world. Thanks for watching.